So hi everyone, how are you today? Today I want to review this HMI display I bought it from AliExpress. You can also find it on Amazon. Uh, what interests to me is that this display looks very similar to the Nextion brand original, but the price is much cheaper. So yeah, it is a good sound for us. But another surprising me thing is that we use a clone application to programming it and create the graphical user interface. As you can see here, wait a minute. So yeah, this original Nextion application, and this one is a TGC application, the clone program, the clone application. And as you can see, the layout looks very similar to the original Nextion software. Yeah, but yeah, we will check it that later. And for the first, actually I didn't know much about this device. When I checked into the website, the price was around $7, $7, depending on the depending on the LCD type. But the version I bought already include with capacitive touch, so the price is around $12. Yeah, that's very cheap for an HMI display, and that does sound really good. I also found another datasheet from the official website. So yeah, thank you to someone on the YouTube who shared the link. Um, it helped me find important information. Of course, I will put the link in the description. So the name is HAM Touch Radio Scanner MDF blah 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 drone hobby. Yeah, thank you for you. As you can see on the back side, uh, yeah, there is a serial number. It says, let's see, TGC 48270 148. Yeah, and I guess, and then a website, we just only found a T0 and T1, and I think this is T1 because when we see this series, we can find T1 48, and I guess this T1 version with 4-inch. So yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly, that's correct. We can find here, as you see here, the series, and you can find here this TGC description. Yeah, exactly. And then let's check it. We can found also the timer. Oh, we don't have timer here. And also you can see the specification, but honestly we don't have a timer or clock. Yeah, but you see here the frequency is 64 megahertz. Yeah, it's a good sound. Let's back to the application, and finally you can see here between this application really similar. This really amazed me. Both applications look very similar. um, the main difference is just language. From the menu, toolbars, and even the color, everything looks almost the same. But unfortunately, as you see here, there is no English version. It is only available in Mandarin. So that is probably why it looks very similar to the original software. So people can still use it by referencing the Nextion software. Honestly, I don't have much idea how to use it yet. I think most people will do the same thing. Just compare it with the original instead of translating everything one by one. Yeah, that's makes more sense. And it will be a challenge to design a layout later, but we will discuss that in another video. We will also test how to use it and see whether this device is useful or not. So I think that's all for today. Thank you and see you later.